Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, our group that consists of Munda Bihun, Khairul Mubin, Ilham Razikun, and Lutfi Anggito will present our collaboration learning media. We have made an ICT-integrated textbook to help students understand similarity and congruent material and motivate them through challenging activities related to their real-life applications. Next, Lutfi Anggito will explain how we made the textbook.
Okay, thank you, Bihun. So in developing of the textbook, we use modified 4D method that use only 3 stages instead of 4. That is, in the define stage, we defining various mathematical problem that has been faced by doing literature review. Also, we are defining the needs of student and what we can do to solve the problem. Then in the design stage, to solve the problem identified in the define stage, we planning to develop a textbook. We start designing what the textbooks would be. We planning that we will use CBL model, then it should have CBL syntax that is big idea, essential question, challenge, guiding question, guiding activities, guiding resources, solution action, and assessment. And then in the develop stage, we start to developing our textbook. We start from defining the big idea of each activities, then continue to each CBL syntax. After that, we start developing activities integrated with ICT, for example, Scratch, YouTube, Photopea, and email. Next will be explained by Mubin.
Textbooks as main media, but here textbooks is also integrated with other media like YouTube, Break Scratch, email, and Photopea. This media can utilize in the middle of learning activities or utilized by student independent. Before use, this media user should read the instructions, explanation about CBL, critical thinking, and the ICT integration in this textbook. For example, for the demonstrations, we have subchapter, why are we congruent? For the first, we provide the big idea about some realistic problems, about the pickup problem, and then we have the essential questions. Essential question, which is the questions about a big idea, and then students are challenged about a realistic problem or some challenge. So students should do some activities. For the first is the integrations with ICT is Photopea. In the Photopea, students can make the template of the live slide of YouTube video, and then also during the to solve the challenge, there is guiding questions, guiding activities, and guiding results. In the guiding activities, we also use the Scratch project as the visual media, as the another visual media. Student can play the Scratch. For the in order to enrich their understanding about the material. For example, this is student click the green flag, and then it's about a corresponding site. And then there is some instruction. But after that, student should discuss in order to solve the solutions and do some actions, and also the assessment, as well as similar with the syntax. All right, the next will be explained by Ilham.
Okay, thank you. That's what we have in our media. And there are some advantages to using this media. With this media, we can make the students become more literate with current technology. And by using this media, the learning can become more interesting and more fun for students because there are some challenges and activities that can make students more active to do the learning. Okay, that's all about our media, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.